Second to Brooke Vansicle, and then 18, then 34, then now she's gonna be Jessica. Sada, red line by Baron and Santos Name. By Baron. After the first set, we hardly mentioned Majoy Baron, so she has to be big also here in set number 5. Malenko wide. Santos, even Che could not control that as called for double. Well, Matanang's on her.
Good game by good to Samoilenko.
Shake off the blockers of Samoilenko. So, Fajardo setting the balls to Santos in the meantime. Off the ball.
Asking for the ball, asking for the set. Total block points, Petrogas.